Hey everybody, it's Giselle and welcome back to my channel. I am crafting for Craft Every Day in May, hosted by, sorry, Janscrazylife. So I am doing a video for the crafting that I did on Friday and Saturday and partly on Sunday. So it's all going to be in one. So Friday and Saturday, I started. Fridays I usually do my errands, so I couldn't do much Friday night, but I did start the process of um, thinking about what I wanted to do and had always wanted to do this. And Saturday I work. So I work 6 days a week, and I took the project to work when I had some time. Um, I did some more thinking and kind of started the whole process of how I would use it. So I bought this at the Dollar Tree, bought a few of them, and I'm still wavering on if I'm going to actually cover it. And if I cover it, I don't want to do a permanent cover just in case I might want to use it again. But looking at what I already have, I think I have about 4 of these, so I might just cover it because I have another one in this color and 2 in the pink, and I'm still seeing them at the Dollar Tree, so I can always grab some if I feel I need it. But I thought that I could also use it like when this gets full, that I can somehow put everything together in a nice book type thing and label it and keep it all there, and I can still use the binder. Not sure what this would be considered, but I guess I'd be a bit of everything. I'd be journaling, not much doing it by specific dates because I'm not a journaler. Like, I don't journal every day. I wish I did. I used to, especially when I was younger. Oh, yes, sorry about that. I thought I would um, create a space in here that I could do a bit of everything. I'm that type of person who will keep appointment cards because something significant happened at my doctor's. I keep boarding pass tickets, little clippets that I see in a newspaper. I don't get the newspaper when I see a paper, and I'm like, oh, I should keep that. And then it ended up being folded and put in somewhere that I never look at it. Um, just life things that are happening. Like, I even journaled um, that I was catching up on the Canadian Big Brother and the Big Brother Canada. And so I spent some of Saturday morning doing that while cleaning. I have something I just saw on Facebook, the 23rd Psalms. So, again, I don't know how I'd be using it, but that's my goal. Um, so I just use, again, this paper that I have that I know that I won't be using. Um, I don't have projects for it, and I have a lot of them, just single sheets of paper. So I just cut them down to size. Any scrap pieces that I thought I could use that could be used for anything, a journaling card, um, or whatever. And I like the fact that I could just put it anywhere. Like, for now, for example, I'm thinking, oh, I have that article about our basketball game because our team made it to the semifinals. So there was a picture that I liked, and I kind of kept the picture. I just saw it in a random newspaper at my job on Saturday. Also, we had a sad thing happen in our city where somebody literally ran over people down one of our busy streets at lunchtime, killing 10 people. So, not that I want to remember it, but it should be remembered that you got to live for today because anything can happen. You're just out for lunch and somebody just harms you. So, stuff like that, I would like to put it in quotes that I see every day. Again, scrolling through social media, sometimes I save them because I want to post it again or write them down. And this would be a place, the house, that I've also want to get to somewhere today. So it's not, see, I started today, but that's all I have. But I started making list of what I want to do. So little things. So this is, of course, I'm going to add more sheets, and I just thought it was a nice and fun way to keep memories and about day-to-day life, and not like I don't think I will be doing it every day, but um, I'll be doing it a lot. I like that this has pockets here, so I'm just using these stickers that I got from the Dollar Tree. These stickers were gifted by Callie, and sorry about that. And so I found them and I put them here. So I'm gonna probably add more to it. Same with the washi tape. I took out packs of washi tape that was a pack of washi the strips. And I thought I could use that. I might put that in there. So yeah, so that's what I've been doing. That was Friday and Saturday. Um, I also worked on making some magnets. So I saw Ninja does crafts, and she made magnets from stickers. So I thought that was a really good idea, and again, something easy for me to make. So I just went through, and it's a good way to use some stickers that you have. So, like for example, these I used some stickers from here, and I had some magnet, and I have a strip of magnet tape that's adhesive. Not tape, but it's a roll of magnets, and also from other crafts where I've taken it off of a memo pad. I've used that and I just cut it down to size. So I used stickers. This was a clear sticker, and then I just put white cardstock or white paper on the back so that it would show up, and I just love it. So um, again, this was from a pack of stickers. I made two similar from the pack. One's actually on my fridge. But that jar, looking like a jar. And this says smile. So I'm always looking to do gifts for friends and family. Again, especially at Christmas time. So I'm thinking I'm probably going to be doing more and just packaging them up for. Okay, okay, so my phone died, so I'm just gonna upload this video so I can get to crafting. Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching. Have a good night. Bye.